you're looking to book a room at Caesar's Palace, you may be overwhelmed by the number of room choices. In today's video, we're going to walk you through 2 different rooms in 2 different towers. They're our favorite towers at Caesar's Palace, the Augustus and the Palace Towers. So first, let's just take a quick look at the map because it is an overwhelming property. So here's the reception area. And if we zoom in a little bit, you'll see there is the Augustus Tower, the Octavius Tower, and then up towards the back, you'll see the Palace Tower. And then you also have the Julius Tower, the Forum Tower, which is the oldest of all of the towers. And then finally, you have Nobu. And Nobu is actually a separate hotel booking, and it has its own check-in area. But in today's video, we're specifically going to focus on the Palace Tower and on the Augustus Tower. I know location is key, so let's have a better look at where these 2 towers are. So the Augustus Tower is nearest to the lobby. If you are in the registration area, there is a walkway, and that walkway will take you to both the Augustus and the Octavius Towers, with the Augustus being closest. Also in there is the Diamond and 7-star registration and the valet. The Palace Tower is just a little bit closer to the parking garage if you're bringing your own car. But the key here is that it's very close to the pools. So basically, once you step off of the elevator, you can walk straight ahead and go into the pool area. So if you're a big pool buff, this is where you want to stay. So let's get to the rooms themselves. This Augustus Tower room overlooks the Bellagio fountain, so that is one of the biggest draws to staying in the Augustus Tower. Now, of course, we talked about location and being closest to the lobby or taxi or valet, and that is also something that may be important to you. But if an amazing view is important, well, you'll see in just a minute. The bathroom had everything that you could need. Dual vanities, a jacuzzi tub, a big shower, and a separate room with a toilet. But I will say that the fixtures are starting to show their age in this room. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, join the family and hit that subscribe button. The room itself is very spacious, and the beds were comfortable as well as the other furnishings. The lamps in this room have a USB port and a regular plug, so if you are needing to plug something while you're laying in bed, you do have that available to you. Both of these rooms, there are items on top of the dresser that are the minibar items, and we couldn't access the fridge in either room. They were locked. So unfortunately, you don't have the minibar or an empty fridge. There are no buttons in either of the rooms that open the curtains, so you just have to do it manually. Aside from staying at the Cosmopolitan with the fountain view and a balcony, and staying at Bellagio overlooking the fountains, this is one of my favorite views in Vegas. Sadly, we got to the room too late each night to catch the actual Bellagio fountain show from the room at night. It's actually very spectacular. So let's move on to the Palace Tower room. As you can see, the hallway looks almost identical to the Augustus Tower hallway. Very similar decor. And then as we move into the room, you're going to notice a lot of similarities between this room and the Augustus Tower room. One main thing that is different is that there are double closets in here, and there's also a nice vanity that you can sit at for doing makeup or so forth. And here's the closet space for one of the closets, and then on the other side there's just additional area to hang clothes. Like the Augustus Tower room, this bathroom has a dual vanity, a jacuzzi tub, a decent shower, and a separate room with a toilet. But this bathroom felt newer and more modern. So I think that the bathroom in this Palace Tower room wins. So here is the cute vanity area that the Augustus Tower room did not have. When you get to this part of the room, it feels identical to the Augustus Tower room, down to the headboard, the sofa, the lamps on the tables, the dresser, the desk. The only thing that is missing here that was in the Augustus Tower room was the little table with 2 chairs. I mentioned in the other room tour, we could not get into the fridge in either of the rooms, so you do not have access to a fridge of any sort. This room has a view of the 7 different pools at Caesar's Palace, although you can't see all that well because the windows were really dirty. But you get the idea. You can scope out your spot and go down and claim it. So at the end of the day, you can't go wrong with either one of these rooms. It's all going to come down to your preference in location and views. If you want to be up near the front and have the strip view or the fountain view, you got to go with the Augustus Tower. And if you want to be right by the pool, well then Palace Tower is the place to be. Well guys, that's all we have for this time. We hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.